LRHS Phander celebrated its annual results sharing day with great enthusiasm and pride. The event was graced by the presence of esteemed dignitaries, including President Local Council Phander Bulbul Aman as the chief guest and senior retired teacher Nawab Khan as the presiding guest. Head RSDU Gupis Kano Ishaq and other prominent stakeholders also honored the occasion with their presence. The program commenced with the recitation of the Holy Quran, followed by the melodious rendition of Nat Sharif. The delightful welcome song performed by little kids added to the warmth of the reception. School head Dida Ali extended a formal welcome to the distinguished guests and presented a concise overview of the school's challenges, opportunities, and plans for the upcoming academic year 2024-25. The school's outstanding overall results of 98% were proudly shared, receiving commendation from all present dignitaries. They pledged their support to AKESP for ensuring quality education. The event was further embellished by speeches from the chief guest, presiding guest, head RSDU, and other dignitaries, who also distributed awards to the deserving position holder students, celebrating their achievements.